tunay nga yung breakthrough data compression algorithms ko in 2007 to 2008. Tunay na mga breakthroughs yun. They were real breakthroughs. True compression algorithms from me. Discovered and or invented at that time. 2007, 2008. The same time being emailed in 2008 to, I remember to 2009. Mga bago talaga. Talagang bago. Yung breakthrough compression algorithms ko na yun. So kung meron mo yung NASA, mga classified environments, NASA, ESA, bago yun from me. Hindi lang maintindihan yung mga breakthrough compression algorithms ko na yun. And source code. With source code, see source code. So maybe also, if I remember it right, I also submitted attached in my emails some C++ code programs. I tried developing in programming in C++.